Good morning, students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous lesson, we have studied about Biju Patnaik and his Dakotas. And there we have discussed that what the brave horse Chetak was to Rana Pratap, the Dakotas were same to Biju Patnaik. Students, there are many examples of love and friendship between human beings and animals like dog, horse, elephant, or even wild animals like tigers and lions. But the love between Rana Pratap and his horse Chetak surpasses all of them. Students, their friendship has become a matter of many poems and stories. Let us start with a stanza from a ballad. Student, what is a ballad? A ballad is a poem or a song narrating a story in short stanzas. So a ballad is a poem or a song narrating a story in short stanzas. So students, as we have discussed that there are many examples of love and friendship between human beings and animals like dog, horse, elephant, even wild animals like tigers, lions, etc. But the friendship between the brave horse Chetak and Rana Pratap passes all of them. So let's start with a ballad. As we have discussed, what is a ballad? Ballad is a poem or a song narrating a story in short stanzas. So let's start with a stanza from a ballad. One such with such a human heart would not form his rider be part. Was Chetak bred of faculty to serve with love and loyalty, the horse friend of Rana Pratap when battle turned hazard of half. So one such with such a human heart. What do you mean by human heart? Human heart means having or showing compassion in behavior. Having or showing compassion in behavior. So here the poet of the ballad describes about the brave horse Chetak. One such with such a human heart. So Chetak was a horse with a human heart, or with having compassion or showing compassion in behavior. So Chetak was a horse with a human heart. Would not form his rider be part. Would not form his rider be part means at any circumstances will not move away from his rider. At any circumstances, whether the battle turns into hazard half or whether the situation changes into very difficult or when the situation becomes extremely severe, even in that circumstances, the horse Chetak would not separate from its rider, from his rider, would not move away from his rider. One such with such a human heart. So Chetak was a horse with a human heart, or Chetak was a horse having compassion in behavior. And what? Would not form his rider be part means would not move away from each other. Neither the rider nor the horse would not move away from each other. Both the rider and the horse are so emotionally binded with each other. They have such a strong emotional attachment. Rana Pratap, the king of Mewar, Rana Pratap, the king of Mewar, and his brave horse Chetak, both of them have such a strong emotional bond that at any circumstances, the situation may be severe, the situation may be most extreme, but they will not separate from each other. Neither the horse nor its rider will become separate from each other, move away from each other. Was Chetak bred of faculty? Means a particular breed of animal. Chetak was such a breed of animal, and with such type of human qualities with him, he would not separate from his rider or from the great king of Mewar, Rana Pratap. So both the rider and the horse remain so strongly attached with each other, and they will not become separate from each other. To serve with love and loyalty. To serve with love and loyalty. Loyalty means faithfulness. So Chetak served his master with loyalty, with faithfulness till his last breath. So till his last breath, he served his master, okay, to serve with love and loyalty. So he served his master with love, compassion and faithfulness. And loyalty means faithfulness. The horse friend of Rana Pratap, when battle turned hazard of half, or when the battle turned into very dangerous situation or likely to cause damage, when the battle turned into hazard of half. Hazard of half means turned into extremely dangerous situation. So when the battle changes into very extreme situation, very extremely dangerous situation, the horse friend of Rana Pratap would not separate, would not move away from its rider, the great king of Mewar, Rana Pratap. So students, as we have discussed that a ballad is a poem or a song narrating a story in short stanzas, okay, in short stanzas, and we have discussed a stanza from a ballad, and there we have discussed that how the king of Mewar has developed a strong emotional bond with his horse friend Chetak, okay, with his horse friend Chetak. And Chetak was such a horse with human heart, or with compassion in his heart, or with compassion in its behavior, okay. One such with such a human heart would not form his rider be part, means it will not move away. Neither the rider nor the horse would move away from each other. They were so closely attached with each other. And Chetak was such a breed of horse to serve with love and loyalty. So Chetak served his master with love and loyalty or faithfulness. And this horse friend of Rana Pratap served his master and never moved away from his master, even if the battle changes into a very dangerous battle, even the battle changes into a very risky and very dangerous situation. Still, the horse friend of Rana Pratap never isolated the great king of Mewar, Rana Pratap, or the horse friend of Rana Pratap, Chetak, never move away from his master, Rana Pratap. So this is the theme of the stanza of the ballad, okay. So let's find out some new words from this portion and try to use them into meaningful sentences of our own. So first one is ballad. As we have discussed, ballad, a poem or song narrating a story in short stanzas. A poem or a song narrating a story in short stanzas. Let's use it in a meaningful sentence. Ballads were first created in medieval France. Medieval France. Students, the traditional ballads are typically of unknown authorship, having been passed on orally from one generation to the other. Okay, the traditional ballads are generally passed orally from one generation to the next generation to the other generation or to the next generation. So ballad is what? A poem or a song narrating a story in short stanzas. We have used in a meaningful sentence. Ballads were first created in medieval France. Next one is surpass. Surpass is verb. Surpass means exceed or to do or be better than. To do or be better than. Okay. Exceed or to do or be better than. Let's use it in a meaningful sentence. The book's success has surpassed everyone's expectations. Okay, the book's success has surpassed everyone's expectations. Let's use it into another meaningful sentence. It will be hard to surpass this very high score. Okay, this will be hard to surpass this very high score. Next one is loyalty. So surpass means exceed or to do better than. So next word is loyalty. It's noun, means the quality of being loyal. The quality of being loyal or faithfulness. Let's use it in a meaningful sentence. His loyalty was never in question. His loyalty was never in question. Last word is hazard. hazard noun, a danger or risk, a danger or risk, something that is dangerous or something that is dangerous, something that is dangerous and likely to cause damage, and likely to cause damage. Okay, hazard, a danger or risk or something that is dangerous or likely to cause damage. Let's use it in a meaningful sentence. He put his life in hazard to save me, to save me. Okay, so he put his life in hazard to save me. So students, in this portion we have discussed that sometimes that the animals become so close to human beings that they surpasses the friendship of others, and they become a living example to the mankind. And in this portion we have discussed how the great king of Mewar, Rana Pratap, has developed a strong bond and emotion with his friend Chetak, and how Chetak was born with a human heart, with great compassion in behavior, and how Chetak served his master with great love and loyalty or faithfulness. So Chetak was such a great friend of Rana Pratap that it remained with Rana Pratap till the end of his life. He served Rana Pratap. So he produced, or Chetak produced, an example in the field of friendship. So the friendship between Rana Pratap and Chetak became a living example till today. So students, you read this portion or read this ballad thoroughly and try to answer the comprehension questions. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.